Life works best when we focus on where we're going rather than where we've been. When the dream is big enough, we find the motivation to get through the tough times. The quality of your life will be in direct proportion to the level of your gratitude. When the purpose is big enough, we find the courage to move mountains. Love everyone, life is just too short for anything else. There are few things in life that can't be solved by a bubble bath. Knowing that what we focus on grows, count your blessings instead of your problems. Just because no one's ever done it before doesn't mean it's impossible. Challenge is nothing more than a seed of opportunity. Inspiration is the rocket fuel that makes ordinary days extraordinary. Sometimes the only change we need is a change in how we see the world. Your burning desire for success is greater than your deepest fear of failure. No one deserves loving kindness today more than you do. You cannot discover new lands unless you take your ship out of the harbor. What you get from life will be in direct proportion to what you give to life.
You are not sure that you can skip the sessions for Wednesday. The students are supposed to assemble in the seminar hall before the announcement. Mobile phone chargers vary enormously from one place to another. We are considering all candidates' backgrounds and identities. Let us see if the technology is going to cooperate with his presentation. The English expression is just a way of saying that age is not important. She's doing a master's degree by distance learning. You realize that you can deal with a lot of situations. The content of the book on the cover must be in capitals. The result of the experiment indicates that further research is needed. Lots of students had money and passports stolen, especially at night. You have to submit projects by the end of this week. I think of those leaders who inspire us to go beyond the call of duty. The gap between the rich and the poor was not decreased rapidly as expected. The result of the study will be published next month. Most of the lectures begin promptly, so do not be late. There are a range of housing options near university students. Please note, the proposal submission deadline has been extended. The university's online courses provide flexible learning options for students. The history of our society is complex and fascinating. The campus bookstore sells textbooks and school supplies to students. The university's football team has won several national championships. The results of the study challenge previously held assumptions. The campus is located in a bustling urban area. Numerous courses devoted to life sciences are listed in the prospectus. You can drop or add your courses online during the registration week. The real reason for global hunger is not the lack of food, but poverty. The original Olympic Games were celebrated as religious festivals. Unfortunately, the two most interesting economic electives clash on my timetable. All the assignments should be submitted by the end of this week. The country's economy is primarily based on tourism. Expertise in particular areas distinguishes you from other graduates.
Every year, students pass the biology course easily. All old university buildings are still in use. The first draft of the presentation is almost ready.